Alright guys, what is up? We got some new wheels for the Yukon. We'll be mounting these bad boys up and then bring the Yukon up here later, and don't mind the bike, but open these up, I'll show you what we got. Alright guys, so got a set of .22-inch Denali wheels. We're gonna be putting these on the Yukon. Mounting up some Michelin tires, keep it riding good. And then got new center caps, TPMS sensors, so should be ready to go. So we're gonna pull the truck in the shop, unload these, and then start mounting them up. Got the wheels off the back of the truck, and we got them mounted up. Let's check these things out. All right, so here they are. Those are off like a 21 Denali. They're 22-inch GM wheels. I bought them as takeoffs, and then I went with the Michelin 285 45 22 tires. The guy didn't have the center cap, so I'll do a link to these. I picked these up on I think Amazon. Regularly through us, they're probably about 50 bucks a piece, and I ended up picking them up for like 30 bucks for the set, so not too bad. I think they look really nice. Let's go ahead and get the Yukon in. I'll show you what it looks like before, and then we'll start mounting these things up on the truck. Alright guys, so I already started taking the old wheels off. So this is a factory wheel that comes on the truck, 20-inch. We'll be selling these ones, try to recoup some money. Overall, the chrome's not too bad. I mean, these are 2007 wheels, so gotta figure it's 14 years old. I'm just starting to get some chrome delamination up in the corners of the spokes. To be expected with chrome, especially down here in Florida. Again, if you guys asking about the POR 15 caliper paint, that's 2.5 years on it right there. So I got these one unbolted. Let me go ahead and drop them down, and then start wheeling those bad boys over, and we'll start mounting them up, see what they look like. I also went ahead and got, so those ones have open-ended lug nuts, so I ordered some GM lug nuts. So shout out to this company right here, Excess Distributors. I ordered these also on Amazon. So they're not just a regular acorn, but they're look just like the GM factory lug nuts. So we're gonna use those on it. And then I also put all new TPMS sensors in those as well before I put them on the truck. Considering those TPMS sensors, I think 1 or 2 have been replaced, but again, 14 years old, we want to go ahead and make sure that we get it done the right way the first time. So let me drop these wheels off, start rolling these ones over here, and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so I got them on there. Just gotta go ahead and torque them up, but I think it's gonna look pretty good. So let me go ahead and torque these up, get it down on the ground, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once we got it down and get rid of that fender, that wheel gap right there. Gotta lower it down a little bit. All right, let's get it down. Alright guys, there she is. I think it looks pretty good. Nice and simple looking. It's not too crazy. Still blends in. Doesn't stick out, so I think the wheels look good. You know, they're not, like I said, I could have went 24 to 26s, but I want to keep some type of a good ride, so roll on these. I think they look pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down below. But yeah. Much better. I think it just kind of gives it like a updated look, you know. There's I love those Denali wheels, just with the chrome coming off them. I think these are a good alternative. Price was right. So yeah, that's it, man. So that's about it for this video. Appreciate everybody watching. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see other videos on the Yukon, please subscribe. And then catch you on the next one. We also got a Sierra project coming up. So I'm sure you guys have seen a couple videos on that already. Just trying to get the GMC Yukon back on the channel. So again, appreciate everybody watching. You guys are blowing up the channel. So we're at almost 3,000 subscribers. So I'm super pumped about that. And gives me a little motivation to continue on with what I do. So thank you again, and we'll see you guys on the next video.